PetSnowy just sent me their Snow Plus. This is a self-cleaning litter box, and I can't wait to test it with my big ragdoll cat here. So let's unbox it, set it up, and put it to the test. First thing you see when you pop it open is a quick user guide, and it walks you through all the steps. And then it generously comes with 30 waste liners to start you out. And then you get actual smell inserts. This is Weekend Elegance, and it smells like a luxuriant soap. And then this is Snowy Zephyr, and it's more of a citrus smell. Really, really lovely. I would just use these in my house. Gotta have a power cord. And of course there's a full manual as well. And this litter catch is really nice. I love the feeling of it. And this would be very easy to take out and clean, which is important to me. Time to pull out the self-cleaning litter box. What an incredible litter box. Down here you have your waste drawer, really easy to pull out and push in. And while it does connect to Wi-Fi and you can do all sorts of smart things with it, it also has buttons to clean the pan, completely empty it, and reset the PetSnowy. And here's the entry. This cloth is super soft, shouldn't block a cat at all. And when you look inside here, you can see where you can put one of those scent boxes in the back, and this is where that litter catch will go. And when you take the top off, it's really easy to access everything. The deodorization system is in here. I've already added one of the smells, and this whole piece can come out too. It has the full fan built into it, and you can control it. And I love how easy it is to take the litter catcher out and clean it when needed. And once you take it out, this whole space here is easy to clean as well. And this is what the cat will see. It has this drum right here. This is actually interesting. It's kind of a silicone stretchy material that should hold the litter in place, but also be easy to clean. And then when it spins, this will catch everything and dump it into the tray underneath. And you can pop out the fabric door. Maybe you don't want it at all, or maybe you just want to wash it. It is just an easy fabric on a plastic pipe, easy to pop in and pop out. And the top just pops on and you're ready to go. Let's set it all the way up. And I'm gonna plug it in. I'm now adding my device. It's looking for it. And now I connect it to my network. And here's what the app looks like. I love that it lets me know how much fragrance I have remaining. It tracks how often the litter box has been visited. It tracks how long my cats have been in it. And it will also give me all logs. But right now I haven't done anything. So let's press the R key for the self-check. Now there's no litter in it at the moment, but it's doing a full cycle as if there were. And the fan is very clearly running as I suddenly smell that lovely fragrance. And it moves very slowly. There's nothing threatening about the way this moves. I love that I can deodorize it at any time, and I can do smart settings too. I can have it automatically clean. I can schedule when it cleans. I can control the deodorizing, and it'll even weigh the cats when they go into it. And so I can ID them by their weight and track which ones use the litter pan. Now it was really easy to set up. I am so impressed with this, but the real test will be how long it takes until my cats want to use it. So I'm gonna set this up next to our other litter pan, fill it up, and then see how long it takes for my cats to adapt to it. Really cool.